Okay, honestly, do you sometimes get bored teaching Pilates? Do you ever feel this urge to mix things up? Well, wait, hang on one second. First of all, it's not your students' fault if you are bored as a teacher. So stop taking it out on them. Mixing it up is for cake batter, not Pilates classes. Pilates is a method, it's a system. If you want to mix things up, make a salad. Or if you're trying to mix things up in a Pilates class, well, then you aren't teaching Pilates. Pilates is a very specific system. If you aren't doing that, if you aren't teaching it in that way, then you're not teaching Pilates. But okay, we're all human and we all get bored sometimes. So what happens if you are a Pilates teacher and you're getting bored? Well, then see it as a sign that you need to dig deeper into each exercise. There's so much depth in each individual exercise. There's always something new to learn or a new way of explaining something. I've been teaching for over 15 years and I still come up with new analogies every day because the students I teach are different. They're looking at the world and the exercise and the class in a completely different way than I ever have. And so to find those new ways of explaining things, to find little nuances here and there within the technique, that's interesting. That's what makes Pilates so fascinating, is that there's always something new that you can find, you can discover, you can explain to your students. If you are bored teaching Pilates, it's your fault because this is damn interesting stuff. This stuff is endlessly fascinating. And I don't say that lightly. I think most things in life get boring pretty quickly. Oh, are we still filming? Sorry, I got bored. So before you start throwing all sorts of new exercises at your student, things that they aren't ready for or have no need for, stop, wait, hang on. Decide if the student really needs that exercise or because you personally are bored. And if that's the case, remember that the class is for them, not you. I guarantee they did not pay money and show up to this class for you to be able to practice teaching. That's not why they're there. They come to the class for themselves because they think they're going to personally get something from it. They're not there to help you out. They're not there so you can practice teaching. They're not there so that you can throw crazy exercises at them. They're there because they want to get stronger. But hey, writers sometimes get writer's block, teachers sometimes get teacher's block. If you feel like you don't know what to say or you're running out of things to say or to think about an exercise, dive deeper into the exercise, or you can contact me or watch some of the other videos, but don't take it out on your students. If you're bored teaching a class, the problem is you, not them.